Hey guys, I'm back with one more series now. In this series, we are going to practice quick high intensity movements. Especially for those who do not have lot of time to practice, still want to complete their quick practice in the morning, then this video is for you. Now without any further delay, let's start our practice. Before we start, make sure that you complete your basic warm-up. You can do a couple of Surya Namaskars and few basic stretches like neck rotation, shoulder rotation, wrist rotations. It will help you to have a better experience while you practice. Now, once you are done with that, let's jump into our next movements. First, keep your both the legs wider. Keep your toe pointing out around 45 degrees. Now, lift your hands up straight. Inhale. Exhale, bend forward. Bend your knee softly. Inhale, lift your hands up straight. Exhale, bend your knee. Inhale. Exhale, bend your knee, keep your upper body relaxed. Inhale. Exhale, inhale. Now you're going to keep your knee straight and try the same thing. Exhale, inhale. Spine straight, knee straight, down, inhale. Give a good bounce so that you can feel more stretch in the glutes. Down, inhale. Exhale, slowly bend forward. Try to keep your spine straight. Drop your hands down. And if you feel there is more space, you can bend your elbow. Give a complete stretch to the hamstrings and the glutes. Hold. 5, 4, 3, keep getting deeper and deeper. 2, 1. Now, toe pointing out 45 degrees. Bend your knee nicely. Inhale, lift your hands up straight. Exhale. Hold. Breathe in, breathe out. Keep going down if you feel like. Hold. 5, 4, keep your shoulders and elbow in one line. 3, 2, 1. Place your hands on your waist. Keep your knees straight. Exhale, bend forward. Drop your hands down. Take a quick break. Relax yourself with a deep breathe in and deep breathe out. One more time. Bend your knee, try to open up your hip joints. Lift your hands all the way up, exhale, hold. 5. I'm sure you can feel your thighs now, but that's okay. 4, hold. 3, 2, 1. Hands on the waist. Knee straight, exhale, bend forward, keep your toe a little forward just to relax. Bend your elbow. If you cannot keep your elbows bent, keep your spine straight and elbow straight. You can always figure out what you can do, so focus on the instruction and modify accordingly. One more last round. Toe pointing outside. Open up your hip, open up your knee. Inhale up and exhale, hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands on the waist. Stand up straight. Keep your right toe also turning to the left side. Left toe also turning to the side. Inhale up, lengthen your back. Exhale, bend forward. Try to keep your spine straight as much as you can. And then gently either drop your hands on the floor or keep your hands on your waist. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Come back to center. Same thing the other side. Inhale up. Exhale, slowly bend forward. See how am I keeping my back straight? Try to maintain the same length and choose to keep your hands either on the floor or on your waist. Let's stay here for quick 5 counts. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now gently bend your knee and take your leg back to full plank. Wrist and shoulder should be in one line. Keep your back straight, hold. Stay here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Knee down. Drop your chest in between both the palms. Now lift your chest up. Lift your knee up. 2. Knee down. Drop your chest down. If you are not able to come back the way I showed you, you can always swing and come back. Remember, that's an option only if you cannot come back properly using your arms. Now, third one. Knee down. Chest down. Chest up. Knee up. 4. Knee down. Chest down. Chest up. Knee up. Last one. Knee down. Chest down. Chest up. Knee up. Now slowly start walking back. Feel free to drop your heels down. Slowly take one step back. You're almost going to get into Parvatasana and continue towards Padahastasana, which is forward bend. If you feel like you need to keep your knee bent, you can. Don't force yourself. At the same time, if you have enough flexibility, please maintain the knee straight in this posture. Hold. 5, 4, try to give a complete forward bend. 3, 2, 1. Now make sure that both the legs are slightly closer to each other. Bend your knee. You should be able to see your toe very clearly. From here, extending your hands into Utkatasana, you're going to hold. Stay here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently do a forward bend. Start walking front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have reached to Dandasana once again, full plank. Now lift your right leg up, toe pointing outside, hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop it down, left leg up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop it down, start walking back. 1. Almost come to Parvatasana where you can stretch your hip up. Drop your heels down, walk. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now pay attention to your hamstrings. See if you are able to manage this. Gently bend your knee, legs slightly closer to each other. Utkatasana, a chair posture. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, bend forward. Stay here, try to give a maximum stretch. Let's walk forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I have reached to full plank again. From here, bring your right leg next to the right palm outside. Bend your elbow and try to place your knee on the arm. Lift your leg up and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take your leg back. Left leg forward. Make sure the front leg is 90 degree. Don't lift your hip too high. Drop your hip down. Now, bend your elbow. Place your knee on your arm and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take your leg back. Slowly start walking again. Lift your hip higher. Whenever you practice any high intense, if you feel you're too tired in between, always you can take a break in Parvatasana instead of coming out of the postures completely. Okay. Stay here. Deep inhale. Deep exhale. Bend your knee. Lift your hands up straight and hold. Look at your toe. You should be able to see your toe very clearly. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently do a forward bend. Start walking to the front. 1, 2, 3. Pay attention to the breathing pattern as well. You're going to take a long breathe in, long breathe out every time you're moving. Come to full plank. Now, if you can, practice Chaturanga Dandasana, or you can drop your knee down and chest down. Slowly go down to Chaturanga Dandasana. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Drop your stomach down. Inhale, come to Bhujangasana. Breathe in, breathe out, feel the stretch. Come back to full plank. One more time, Chaturanga Dandasana. Bring your elbow inside and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop your chest down. Inhale, lift your chest up. Look up, stay here with your eyes closed. Now come to child posture. Drop your hip down, drop your head down. Now, getting back to full plank again. Try to slowly lift your hip up. Start dropping your heels down. Take a step back. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You're in a complete forward bend. Observe the stretch in the glutes as well as in your hamstrings. Stay here. 3, 2, 1. Bend your knee. Lift your hands up straight. Stay here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands by the side of your body. First bend forward, drop your hands down and see if you can keep your knee straight. Wherever you can hold, just stay. But try to keep your complete palm down or at least half of the palm. Long breathe in. Long breathe out. Let's start walking forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have reached full plank. Now try to maintain the alignment. Wrist and shoulder is in one line. You're going to lift your right leg up and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Down. Other leg up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now right leg next to the right palm outside. You're going to bend your elbow, lift your knee up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it back. Other leg forward. Deep breathe in and breathe out. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Full plank. Now drop your knee down. Keep both the knee at the edge of the mat, toe together. Stretch your hands forward. Now slowly push your hip back and drop your head down and hold. Stay here, breathe in, breathe out, relax. Gently come back to center. I'm sure even you are sweating. Of course, if you do like a good intense, you can see the difference. Now, I'm pretty sure that your body is still in the same workout zone where you're feeling little tired. So don't worry about it. Once you complete this movement, sit back either in Sukhasana or Vajrasana. Be here for next few more seconds. Keep your spine straight. Keep both the hands on your knee. Close your eyes. Relax your forehead. Have a gentle smile on your face. Long breathe in, long breathe out. Every breath is giving you the deep relaxation after the practice that you need. So expand your stomach and chest. Breathe in, breathe out comfortably. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Eyes closed as it is. A long breath in and long breath out. Now keep your eyes closed. Stay here. Gently bring your both the palm together into Namaskara Mudra. Rub your both the palm, make it warm. Drop it on your eyes and face. And open your eyes, look into your palm. Thank you. I hope you're also feeling good the way I am feeling right now. Practicing even short, if you don't have a lot of time, you can make it a quick practice, but I have started this without warm-up. I have mentioned this before also. When you practice, please add some warm-up before you start the session. Whatever is your experience, please drop it in the comment box. If you enjoy practicing with me, don't forget to like the video. Thank you so much. And one more thing, if you're looking for a lengthy video like 50 minutes, 1 hour, 45 minutes, for such videos for you to practice, you can join our membership program. To join our membership, you can find the link in the comment box. I'll see you there.